How to fix could not build Maven project. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix the issue where you cannot build a Maven project or if it's showing the error with Maven Surefire plugin or Maven Jar plugin. So if you're facing any of those issues, the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your project and then right click on it. Then you'll find an option called Run As. I don't have it here, but once you get the Run As option, you're going to have to run it as Maven Clean. And once you do that, it will run the application and it will show you build success. Then after that, all you have to do is just select the project and then go up here, click on this drop down to Run As. And then there you're going to have to click. It will show you an option called Maven Install. And once you run that, it will just wait for the build successful to come on, and once that is successful, you should be good to go. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.